Are you stuck on how to grow your Facebook business and how to build upon your Facebook group? Well, watch the end of this video and you'll learn my 10 hacks on how to grow your Facebook business fast. For the best tips and tricks for female entrepreneurs, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell below. Do you get overwhelmed at the thought of growing your Facebook group? Do you stare at the computer and wonder what to share with your group, what to say, or what to do to increase your visibility and get more people into your group? Please wait to the end of this video and I will give you my foolproof template on how to name your group so people automatically want to join. So I shared my hacks with people in my free Facebook group and they've had amazing results. One of my clients, Christina, has gained over 900 new members into her group. Shay, over 500 new members into her Facebook group. And these are now a warm audience that they can attract. Hack number 1. Make sure you have a Facebook group name that's going to attract your ideal client. They should know exactly what they're in for before they join your group. A great tip is to use an adjective and a noun in your Facebook group name so people automatically know what feeling or sensation they're going to get upon joining this group. So energetic, adjective, moms, club. Hack number 2. I want you to go into your Facebook group at least once a month and change the banner so that your Facebook group gets bumped up in the algorithm. And as you share your group more, you can share it on your personal page. I would do that not more than once a week. It will show that and it will rank a little bit higher so Facebook can give your Facebook group a little bit more push. Hack number 3, you want to go into your group and you want to know your top members. I'm going to show you a trick. The best way to find out who your top members are going to your group insights. Your group insights, you're going to go into engagement details. You'll see here on the right your member details and you'll know the top contributors, how much they have posted and how many comments they've made. Make sure you are friends with your top contributors and you're connecting with them often. Hack number 4, make sure that you take time to connect with your top contributors. A great hack is to send your contributors a private message and actually become friends with these contributors. I like to send nice gratitude messages to these top contributors and ask them if there's any additional support they would like from me. This keeps your top contributors engaged and they feel appreciated and they want to contribute more, which bumps the algorithm in your Facebook group. Hack number 5, ask your group specific questions before they join your group. I'm going to show you now. One of my favorite hacks here, you go and ask your clients, future clients, questions. So you're going to go to your Facebook group, click on more and edit group settings. Once you go to edit your group settings, you're going to go all the way down to ask questions. These are great because members have to answer these questions before you join the group. The best question to ask anyone is, what is their biggest struggle? It doesn't matter which business you're in, knowing your client's biggest struggle is going to help you in the long run. You can create freebies, lead magnets, and more. So when my clients join the group and they add an answer to the question, I copy it and I paste it into a Google Doc. And I keep those answers for future use. I can use them to create a live video, to create content, and more. It's a super duper hack. Hack number 6 is to create a poll. Create a poll in your group. This is a poll that I created, and you can find out what exactly people in your group want to learn. You can look here that some want to learn everything, but when you get a little bit more specific, you will learn the top 3 items that people want to learn and content they want to use. To create a poll, you create a poll by going to create a post, poll. You can ask a question, what is your biggest struggle? And then you put the options here, option 1, option 2, and option 3. If you want to add more options, click add option. You can also allow anyone to add options if they want, or allow people to choose multiple options, and click post. It's so easy. Great hack. Hack number 7, make sure you go into your group insights and learn more about when people are interacting in your group. Click on group insights, and you're going to go into more engagement details. As you scroll down into engagement details, you're going to see the popular days and popular times during each of these days. So if you look here, my most popular days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Now, if you go to Monday, you can see the most popular time is about noon, right? That makes sense. People are on their breaks. Now, if I go to Tuesday, the most popular time here is 7 a.m. And you know why? Because I do my Tea Talk Tuesdays at 7 a.m. Now let's look at Saturday. Here we go. Noontime is the most popular time again. And this is also something I've already learned, and I usually do videos around this time on Saturdays. Hack number 8. This hack is a wonderful hack because you can know more about your target audience. You can learn about their age range and if they're female or male and where they're actually located in the country. So for this hack, you're going to click on Group Insights. You're going to go into more engagement detail or more member details. You're going to go all the way down. You're going to see the age group, the most popular age group. And for my group, it's 35 to 44. That's the most popular, but I go all the way to 25, all the way up to 54. I advertised to women, although I do still have some men in my group. And this shows the top countries. I have top countries, US, Canada, and United Kingdom. And then also in the US and Canada, you can see the top states. Now, why is this important? When you create Facebook ads, you'll be able to target specific regions and be super targeted on where you need to really promote your ads. This is an awesome hack. Hack number 9, one of my favorite hacks that I tell all of my clients to use is the event hack. You create an event in Facebook so that your members are actually getting notifications about your upcoming launch or upcoming live or upcoming video. Creating an event is very easy. Click on Events, and then you can see here my events. I use them for launches, webinars, and sometimes when we're doing our 10 clients in 10-day challenges. I do the 10 clients, 10 days quarterly. So create an event, upload the photo, create the event name, location, and usually I will just say online, or if this is a freebie, I put www.xyz.com, whatever it is. Use a description that you're going to use for your event, put a date and time, and create it. Now, the nice thing is if you have a lot of friends that you've created from your Facebook group, they will automatically be invited. So this is why being friends with your top contributors is very necessary. Hack number 10. This hack is awesome because it reduces spam in your group. Nobody wants spammers in their group. So what I do is I create a post at least once a week that all of my members can add their links, social links, events, and more. Hack number 10. This is a great hack because you will reduce spamming in your group. I allow everyone to post their events and links in my group at least once a week. So every Saturday or Sunday, I will have a post and tell everyone to share their links. And then we'll get to learn about each other. But this is a specific post that I put there that everybody can put their links underneath. So now you know exactly what to do to get more people into your group and really get your audience engaged. Wouldn't you like to learn more about how to name your group and a specific template on how to name your group so more people want to join? Click below and you can watch my video on how to name your group, and you'll get my template on how to name your group with success. Now, if you want to join a community of female entrepreneurs that are like-minded women just like you, join my free Facebook group. I will post the link below. I share tips, tricks, tutorials, and social media insights. We know that social media changes every day, every week. So join my free Facebook group and you'll learn more about any changes and how to implement them with specific tutorials. If you like this video, please hit like below and post a comment so that I know what inspired you in this video. Also, post a question and I will answer below.